So hello everybody and welcome back. Before we start, please like and subscribe. Ring that bell for notifications when I upload new videos. Today we're going to take a look at the Sherman M4A1 from Italeri on 135 scale. This is an older kit. Not expecting too much out of it. I do have a better one from Dragon though. It's a later version. So let's get started here. So you see here we have 3 sprues of plastic and a set of poly tracks. Number 1, we build the bogies. Number 2, we're putting this sprocket hub on, the sprocket, the bogies. Look at these parts to the chassis here in the back, and the front part here for the, I forgot what it's called here in the front. I know they can take it off to work on the engine though. And here on the back some stuff too. So number 3, we're working on the upper hull. We got these skirts to go on, or fenders. So number 3 then, well, we got this gun here we're putting together. This is the whole machine gun. And then we have here these parts on the back plate. And here we got the upper hull with this whole machine gun here. These rear mud flaps and the skirt, the side pieces here. Number 4, we put the front cover on and the track. Number 5, we have upper hull details. We have the hatches, engine hatch, some of the tools. Here's some tools here, and the handles as well. Also the tow cable, and the lights in the front here. The bracket to hold the gun here. Number 6, we're building this box for the back. Light guards. We got these pieces here. More tools to put on. And this is, I think it's the radio. I'm not really sure. Number 7, then we have the building the gun together. It looks like that's a pretty complete gun. We build the gun tube, putting it in. Here's the rotation piece and the rails for the guards for it. Here's making an antenna, and here we're putting the turret together, put the gun on it. Here we have our commander and loader hatches and an aircraft machine gun, 50 cal probably, looks like. And here we have a bedroll and a jerry can. Put the turret on the tank and then it's finished. It looks like we have 3 versions. This is from 5th Corps, 741st Tank Battalion, Alpha Company, Vehicle 7 in Normandy. This is from the 10th Armored Division, 11th Tank Battalion, Bravo Company, Vehicle 11 from the Ardennes. And this is U.S. Marine Corps Pacific, 1944. Probably go with the D-Day version. So here's our decal sheet, all molded in white. They look pretty good though. Lots of different names. We've got the numbers, stars, our units too. So first, let's take a look at this poly track. It's really thick, stiff. It might need some replacing. There's also some of the track pads are pretty sunken in. But there's not really any bad problems with it other than the thickness, really. It's really, really stiff. But I think, if it's warm enough, it'll flex around there. Probably can heat it up with a hairdryer. These trees aren't really numbered, but we'll look at this one first. This is the undercarriage, the bottom of the hull, and the bogies, road wheels, sprockets. That's pretty much everything here. See, we do have some detail underneath. Yeah, some okay on the sides, I guess. The front and the back going separately. I think these bogies look pretty good though. These bogie parts here. The road wheels are decent. I think there's some bolt heads missing here though, on the outer bogie parts here. Sprockets are okay. Here on this side, we got some decent heads there for these bolts. So the second sprue here, we got our upper hull, the front plate, the back plate. Here's the fenders, the mud guards, hatches, bed rolls, jerry cans. A lot of the parts, and here's our tow cable, tools. Now I think the detail is okay, but you see there's absolutely no texture to it. And these it's like shiny plastic, not textured at all. I think it should, I don't know, is it cast turret or cast hull too? I think it doesn't look exactly right, really. There should be more to it. The hatches look okay though. There's the hatches. The machine gun looks okay too. That's the one for the hull there. The tools are okay. The bolt heads on the fenders are okay. And the third sprue here is all turret parts. We got the top and the bottom of the turret. We got our gun. We have our anti-aircraft gun here. Our hatches. The commander's cupola and other hatches here too. There's our metal. And one figure. Once again, no texture, no cast texture or anything to it. Although it does have okay details. There's better ones out there. I just got this because it was cheap. And I have the more expensive Dragon one, so. I do think the machine gun looks okay though. The figure is okay. Even though we have a complete gun tube, we don't have any interior detail at all. So that doesn't make much sense either. Well, this kit is okay, I guess. It's M4A1, so it should have a cast hull. And there's no cast. It doesn't look casted at all. It looks like it's a welded hull, like M4. So that's one big error. It also has the wrong gun for M4. It's like a later M4A1, which should have a cast hull. I'm pretty sure. But it doesn't look like that at all. Is it worth a build? I think it'd be worth a build if you want to experiment with weathering and stuff like that. But for an accurate version of M4A1, it's not very good. I'll still build it, but the M4A3E8 that I have is much better. So we'll have this one. We'll have two. We'll have this one that is okay. Almost okay, at least. And then we'll have the better one. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And join me next time when we'll take a look at this Hungarian light tank 43M Toldi 3. Long name. This is a 135 scale from Hobby Boss. It's a pretty cool looking little tank. So thanks for watching. Until then, bye.